Hey there, bright smiles. Ever wondered why we really need to brush our teeth and what happens if we don't? It's not just about keeping your breath fresh. Oh no, it's about protecting a secret world inside your mouth. Yup, right behind that smile, there's a place called Tooth City. And every day, tiny sugar soldiers are planning their next attack. But don't worry, today we're joining the Tooth Defenders. Let's find out what happens when we brush, why it matters, and how you can keep Tooth City shining bright.
Hey, hey, we've got a why. Why is the sky so blue and high? Why do tears fall from our eyes? Come join us, it's questing time. We're the Childhood Quest crew. Hey! We ask and we learn it too. From bodies and beasts to stars that shine, we're chasing answers line by line. So shout it loud, it's true, we're the Childhood Quest crew. Woo-hoo!
Every morning and night, something magical happens inside your mouth. A secret city comes to life. It's called Tooth City, a shining land of pearly towers and strong white walls that sparkle when you smile. In this city, each tooth stands tall like a proud castle, guarding your grin. But deep beneath the shining walls, an invisible army is always watching, waiting for their moment to strike. Here they come, the sugar soldiers, tiny crystals of sweetness that sneak in every time you munch on biscuits, sweets, or cake. They dance and sparkle, throwing sugary confetti across Tooth City. But with the sugar soldiers come their mischievous friends, the bacteria bugs. They love to feast on the leftover sugar. Together, they build sticky forts, hiding between teeth and along the gum walls. The more sugar they eat, the stronger their acid spray becomes. Tiny drops of acid splash across the enamel walls, trying to break through the strong defenses of Tooth City. At first, it's just a few chips and cracks, little weak spots no one can see. But if the sugar soldiers aren't stopped, those small cracks grow into deep, dark caves called cavities. That's when Tooth City cries out for help. And just when it seems the city might fall, the heroes arrive. The clean team. Armed with soft bristles and minty shields, they swoop in, brave and bright, ready to fight for every smile. The toothpaste commander gives the signal. Only a pea-sized amount of power is needed. The minty swirl spreads like magic armor, coating every tooth with shimmering protection. With a whoosh and a swirl, the toothbrush brigade charges in. Up and down, round and round they go, sweeping away the sticky sugar forts and washing out the bacteria bugs' hiding spots. Together, they chase away the invaders and rebuild the enamel walls. The sugar soldiers slip and slide away, defeated by foam and freshness. The city gleams once more. The tooth defenders march proudly through the shining streets. Every tooth stands strong again, sparkling beneath the morning sun, safe, clean, and happy. But even heroes need a plan. The enamel walls, strong on the outside, hide secret layers within. Dentin and pulp form the heart of every tooth, where nerves and blood keep it alive. Without care, even the strongest walls can fall. And that's why we brush, to keep the sugar soldiers away and the tooth defenders strong. Every brush stroke is a battle won. Every rinse a victory for your smile. And now, brave defenders, let's learn how to become real heroes of Tooth City by brushing the right way. But don't worry, we know the best way to fight back. Every morning and night, our heroes, just like these kids, take out their toothbrushes and start the cleaning mission. Circle, circle, sweep, sweep. They brush every tooth until it shines. Brushing at night is extra important. When we're asleep, there's less saliva to wash away germs, so we need a clean start before we dream. Look at those smiles. They're sparkling clean and ready for bed. After brushing, rinse well. Water washes away the last bits of food and bacteria, swirling them out of Tooth City like a tidal wave. Fresh, clean, and minty. And during the day, healthy snacks help too. Crunchy carrots, juicy apples, and even a little cheese keep teeth strong and happy. They clean while you chew. Nature's toothbrushes. So every time you reach for your toothbrush, remember, you're not just cleaning your teeth. You're protecting your smile, your confidence, and your very own shining Tooth City. 2 toothbrushes stand ready. One green, one pink, each with a fluffy crown of bubbles on top. It's brushing time. The foam means they're ready to get to work, scrubbing away every last sugar bug. Look at that blue toothbrush. It's ready for action. The bristles are strong but gentle, perfect for cleaning every corner without hurting the gums. Just a little toothpaste is all you need. There are so many toothbrushes to choose from. Blue, green, pink, yellow, each one ready to protect a smile. Remember, it's best to pick a soft brush that feels comfy in your hand. Let's set a timer for 2 minutes. That's how long it takes to clean every tooth properly. You can even play a brushing song while you brush. Music makes the time fly and keeps brushing fun. Our hero turns on the tap. The toothbrush hums with excitement. The rhythm of brushing begins, up, down, round and round, like a happy tune. Let's brush to the beat. The toothbrush buddies are having a bubble party. They laugh and scrub together, cleaning away all the day's adventures. Teamwork makes those smiles sparkle. Now look at that dazzling smile. Every tooth is shining bright. Smooth, clean, and strong, just like new. That's what happens when we brush twice a day. In science books, we learn how teeth are built and why brushing matters. Look, enamel, dentin, pulp. Each part has a special job. When we take care of our teeth, we take care of all of them. And healthy habits go beyond brushing. A glass of water, crunchy carrots, and apple slices help clean your mouth naturally. Nature and brushing work hand in hand. Look at that smile, confident, bright, and full of joy. Brushing every morning and night keeps your teeth strong, your breath fresh, and your tooth city safe. So keep smiling. Your teeth are counting on you. The morning routine begins. The toothpaste stands tall, proud to protect those teeth. A swirl of minty freshness sits neatly on the brush, ready to fight off plaque pirates and sugar invaders. Wow, look at those shining drops on the brush, like tiny diamonds sparkling in the sunlight. Clean water and a fresh start make every morning feel brand new. Every drop helps keep the brush fresh for next time. The bathroom glows with sunshine. Bright tiles, colorful walls, and cheerful toothbrushes all lined up like little soldiers waiting for their turn. It's a happy place to start the day. And look at that big, clean smile. Mission complete. Every tooth gleams, every gum feels fresh, and that confident grin is ready for the world. Great job, little brusher. Just a small pea-sized amount of toothpaste is all you need. Not too much, not too little. The perfect balance to clean without wasting. Remember, a little goes a long way. Now look in the mirror. Brushing is all about technique. Move the brush in small circles, gently along every tooth, top and bottom. Take your time, don't rush. Every tooth deserves care. Inside the mouth, the toothbrush sweeps away little bits of food and sugar dust from the tops of the teeth. Gentle circles lift away plaque while protecting the enamel. It's like a tiny broom keeping Tooth City clean. And here it is, a shiny, sparkling smile. Those twinkling teeth show what happens when you brush properly. Every corner is clean and your mouth feels fresh and new. Oh dear, water is still running while brushing. That's a lot of waste. Let's turn off the tap while we clean. It saves water, keeps our clothes dry, and helps the planet too. Wow, those teeth look like they feel so clean and smooth. I love how shiny they look.
And that's the magic, little tooth defender. Brushing twice a day keeps Tooth City safe and strong. Morning and night, you're not just cleaning your teeth, you're protecting your smile, your confidence, and your sparkle. So next time you grab that toothbrush, remember, it's not a chore, it's your daily superpower. Keep brushing, keep smiling, and keep asking why. Because every why leads to wonder.
We're the Childhood Quest Crew.